back to chasing trophies. The Mumbai Indians have defeated the Lucknow Super Giants by 6 wickets. आज Hardik Pandya nahi khela. That was the breaking news. He was not well. Rohit Sharma came back into the team as opener, impact player, and what an impact! He had a fantastic opening partnership with Ryan Rickerton, and because of those two, they chased out 229. Lucknow Super Giants got off to a flyer because of Nicholas Puran batting at a strike rate of 300, and he got like 60 of 21 deliveries. मगर उसके बाद यार ना ऋषभ पंत चला, ना माकरम चला, ना हिम्मत सिंह चले, कोई भी चले नहीं उनके मिडिल ऑर्डर में. मैच ठीक ठाक चलो ओपनिंग स्टैंड दे दिया, but it wasn't enough for Lucknow. I always knew they were 20-30 runs short, and it was an easy chase for the Mumbai Indians. The bowlers came back well as well. Jasprit Bumrah did a good job too. Deepak Chahar bowled a very good last over, and it was always going to be a tough ask for Lucknow to defend such a big score as well, because this ground, 240, 250 chase with 220, तो ये मुंबई बैटिंग लाइन में कुछ नहीं था. फैज, joining me, your thoughts on the game?
Yeah, I mean, काफी different feel आया आज मुंबई इंडियंस से. थोड़ा बहुत less pressurized देखे. Obviously game उनका technically season हो चुका है. Maybe you could say कि वो reason है. Yeah, was it Hardik Pandya not being there, not being as animated, maybe a lot of attention and eyeballs because Hardik Pandya is in there. Maybe they felt a little bit more relaxed. I don't know which way it is, but a little bit more collective and collected from the spinners. Gazanfar bowled a good spell, but the guy who debuted last game, Raghu Sharma, आज बहुत अच्छा डाला, बहुत लाइन डाला, चिट्टी भी ले लेके आए थे. So mentally you could see that they felt a little bit more confident. 230 given right now Mumbai Indian का जो situation है, वो भी चेस मुश्किल होता सा, generally, but today they look more relaxed. And Rohit Sharma coming back 3-4 matches के बाद managing to get a 80+ score along with Rickelton, who's been in sensational form. So yeah, I think Mumbai Indians look much better than a lot of games before. They were hoping KKR के ऐसा game का था. They hope that this was probably the first game of their season right now.
Yeah, 100%, man. And Rishabh Pant ke liye, it's been a terrible season again. With the bat as a captain, agar aap dekhe, repeating the same bowlers when they're getting hit, they're bowling full tosses. There's been no strategy, no plan. Batting order फिर से change हुआ. आज जॉस इंग्लिश आके open करा, थोड़ा सा start दिया मार्च के साथ, मगर there is no stability in this batting lineup. There's no stability in this bowling lineup. They keep changing the players. Mukul Chaudhary कभी खेल रहा, कभी बदो नहीं खेल रहा, कभी दोनों नहीं खेल रहे. They're not backing their players at the same time. There are certain players who are not performing. Today, Puran performed, but in general, it's been a poor season for him too. And Pant himself is under a lot of pressure individually and as captain.
100%. भाई like आप ऋषभ पंत का second season है, ये भी नहीं आपको उसको बोल सकते कि भाई first season है. He doesn't know the team, he doesn't know the management. It's like going to take him time to settle, and these are mediocre mistakes. Like आप जैसा mention कर रहे हैं, like bowler अगर पिट रहा है, confident नहीं है, चलो ठीक है, हम Siddharth picked up 2 wickets, but the matchup against Rohit Sharma who plays spin and Rickelton, maybe he wasn't feeling that comfortable. साथ ही साथ फिर अगर आप देखो उनका खुद का individual performance that has been daunting on this team. Yes, एक game हैदराबाद से उन्होंने जिताया, but उसके बाद से आप you would want him to capitalize, but it's becoming reverse, right? Like it doesn't look like. And आज जहाँ पे a player like Nicholas Puran, who is out of form, has come and hit a 60 of 22, then you would expect the likes of Rishabh Pant, these guys to step it up. But once you're in a position where आप 107 overs हैं, वहाँ से आप सिर्फ 220 manage कर रहे. So team, I think as a collective, we are not now feeling confident within each other. Maybe the bowlers are feeling that हम ज़्यादा effort डाल रहे हैं ये वाले team में. बनस्बत batsman के March started well, Puran started well, but Markram, Himmat Singh, ये लोग नहीं चले आज. English चलो फर्स्ट मैच है आए और उन्होंने थोड़ा ट्राई करे, नहीं लगे उनके, but he didn't slow anything down by a lot. But Himmat Singh and that partnership was very horrendous. And yes, Rishabh Pant's captaincy has been very below par. Delhi Capitals में भी हम ये चीज देखे उनके पास, maybe in the last 24 वाले सीजन में, 25 में लखनऊ में भी हम ये देखे कि भाई he's not able to kill games. There's no X factor tactic that he has as a captain. Just ठीक है, इन्हें नहीं चल रहा तो इसको ट्राई करेंगे. Matchups के हिसाब से, opposition के study के हिसाब से, it doesn't look like he's doing the right planning.
Yeah, and the crazy thing is, apart like from Puran today, जो बंदा रन मार रहा है उसका पोजीशन चेंज नहीं हुआ. मिचेल मार्श सारे के पोजीशन इधर उधर चले जा रहे. पुरन को भी ऊपर नीचे कर दिया, पंत ऊपर नीचे हो गया, इन्हें भी मार्करम ऊपर नीचे हो गया, बदोन ही ऊपर नीचे हो रहा, कभी बाहर भी हो जा रहा. तो जो बंदे को कंसिस्टेंट रख रहे उन्हें रन मारा. तो I don't know why they're not taking that as a hint that you have stability. Chalo, the bowlers had an off day. I won't blame the bowlers too much today because it was a flat wicket, but at the same time, the bowlers have done a good job in this season.
But power play bowling key hai.
Yeah, power play match है. Death bowling, it's an issue, and I understand that. But they bowled really well throughout the season. The first 10-15 overs जो भी है, दिग्वेश भी नहीं चल रहा था, and all that is fine. But जब आप इतना इंस्टेबिलिटी है आपकी टीम में, एंड लाइक आपकी मैनेजमेंट खुद कंफ्यूज्ड है, एंड वो दिख रहा बहुत खास लाइक ऑन पेपर, एंड व्हेन यू मेकिंग ऑल दीज डिसीजंस, then it's just chaos right now for Lucknow. For Mumbai Indians, do you see Hardik Pandya coming back and captaining after
Yeah,
this?
I think they're one family on paper, so I think they'll try to keep it like that. I think Hardik will come. I'll hear a statement like, "Yeah, the boys stepped up the day I'm not there," and stuff like that. Maybe something like that. But yeah, बीच में ऐसा situation नहीं लाएंगे मुंबई इंडियन, because they have a brand reputation to protect and stuff, and they won't want to make another dramatic impact, especially after the man like Rohit Sharma against जो करे थे. They won't want to, I hope they won't want to do something like that again to make headlines, and I think Hardik shall come back unless he's sick continuously.
Yeah.
And hopefully he recovers. But yeah, I think he will come back as a captain.
Yeah, and Rohit Sharma today was fabulous.
I उनके आप जैसा बोलते हैं ना हमेशा, you say like he's one of the best batsmen to watch live ही नहीं on the TV, the timing that he gets when he gets in the rhythm by Rohit Sharma, इतना प्यारा player है, and yeah, missing out on him. See, I would still say as like he hasn't been the most consistent over, but when he gets hitting, like there's no one like Rohit Sharma, and Rickelton as well, right? Like he's been fantastic this season for them.
Yeah, Rickelton, you got Naman Dheer also has been pretty consistent.
उनका भी
with his
job change हुआ, but yeah, he's been performing everywhere.
contributions आए उनके. But yeah, it was good to see for the Mumbai crowd, man, because उन लोग हर मैच हार रहे थे, और पहले स्टार्ट में जब पूरन मारा था उन लोग फिर से परेशान हो गए, what is this kind of season? But yeah, I think also like the Lucknow is so poor that like that also helped Mumbai, but at the same time it's good that their players found some rhythm. Bumrah भी थोड़ा सा comeback कर दिया after getting hit.
Yep.
But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. It was in terms of the context of the tournament, उतना नहीं है game class 9 versus 10, so there wasn't much to talk about in the context. But it was a game of cricket. We saw some good batting, we saw some poor bowling, but like it is what it is. Today there is going to be Chennai, Delhi, so that will have more context in the tournament, and we'll definitely catch you guys for that. Thank you, Faiz. Thank you, everybody. Take care.